Bitcoin drops below $39,000 amid market uncertainty. FTX estate sold most of its Grayscale Bitcoin Trust shares. Mt. Gox confirms creditors' Bitcoin addresses for repayment. Bitcoin ETFs post $76 million in net outflows on bad 7th day of trading. SEC blames SimSwap attack for hacked X account prior to official BTC ETF approval. Hello and welcome to 3.TV. I am Ruchi Sharma. Virtual digital assets or VD markets stumbled for the second consecutive day as selling continues to overwhelm buying despite sizable inflows into the new spot exchange traded funds. Bitcoin plunged below the $39,000 crucial mark. Vishakha Thakur joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading down by 4.6% at 50,700 points. Bitcoin price breached below the psychologically important level of $40,000 for the first time since December. Interestingly, the spot BTC ETFs are witnessing strong inflow with BlackRock and Fidelity topping more than $1 billion in assets under management in the week since opening for business. However, the multi-billion-dollar outflow from Grayscale's GBTC product suggests that the investors have taken profits or moved to other lower-cost vehicles. Meanwhile, investors have sold more than $2 billion worth of Grayscale Bitcoin Trust since it was converted into an exchange-traded fund earlier this month. A large chunk of that exodus was FTX's bankruptcy estate, dumping 22 million shares, according to private data CoinDesk. Moving on, market participants expect that the upcoming policy meeting of the US Central Bank may provide further insights and is likely to impact the overall cryptocurrency markets. Tether is approaching $100 billion market cap after adding $10 billion to its valuation over the last 3 months, according to CoinGecko data. The stablecoin Ether's total market cap increased from $84 billion to over $94 billion in the past week. The global crypto market cap was at $1.52 trillion mark, decreasing 5% in the last 24 hours. However, the total trading volumes increased by 70% to $72 billion. Over the past 3 months, the total value logged in decentralized finance protocols has reached $57.74 billion. Lido, the largest protocol, has seen a 10.66% increase, now standing at $23.22 billion. Interestingly, Ethereum remains the top DeFi protocol, commanding 57.3% of the aggregate TVL, amounting to $33.10 billion. In an interesting piece of news, FTUSD, a newly launched stablecoin, has seen rapid growth with its market valuation increasing by $1 billion since Jan 1, 2024. However, it is the 4th largest stablecoin in terms of market cap, valued at $2.61 billion. US stock futures were little changed after Dow Jones Industrial Average surpassed 38,000 for the first time ever. Dow futures fell 0.04%, S&P 500 futures rose 0.03%, while Nasdaq 100 futures gained 0.12%. Bitcoin was trading at $39,060, down by 4%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was up by 6%, trading at $2,232. BNB was down by 4.5% to trade at $298. And if we talk about Solana Sol token, it was down 7% and was trading at $81.3. Next on the list, Cardano's ADA token was down by 6% to trade at $0.46. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $28, lower by 10%. Polygon Matic was trading down by 6% to trade at $0.71. And Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading down by 6% at $0.077. Shiba Inu was trading up by 5.5%. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.51, down by 3.5%. Polkadot was down by 7.4% to trade at $6.1.
Thank you, Vishakha, for your in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now back to the headlines. The state for failed crypto exchange FTX and hedge fund Alameda Research has sold more than 2/3 of its Grayscale Bitcoin Trust shares. The FTX estate may have raised at least $600 million as a result of the sale. FTX estate held 22.28 million shares worth $902 million at the time of the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust before January 11th, when the trust was converted into a spot exchange-traded fund. FTX sold more than 2/3 of its shares over the following 3 days of trading, the report stated, implying that it now holds less than 8 million shares worth roughly $281 million. More than $700 million of Bitcoin has been sold by the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust since January 11th, with some analysts claiming that investors are fleeing the fund because of what they see as high fees. On January 22nd, Alameda dropped its lawsuit against Grayscale. The trustee of the hacked cryptocurrency exchange Mt. Gox is inching towards Bitcoin repayments as it reportedly reached out to creditors to confirm their identity and the existence of their accounts. Numerous Mt. Gox creditors reported receiving new emails from Mt. Gox about the completion of identity verification for crypto exchange accounts that are said to be used to repay Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash. The email says that the exchange is now expected to accept the user subscription to the agency receipt to receive repayment in BTC BCH. Founded in 2010, Mt. Gox was once the biggest Bitcoin exchange in the world, estimated to facilitate around 70% of all BTC transactions before its implosion. The exchange lost 850,000 BTC in a security breach in 2014, becoming one of the biggest crypto bankruptcies ever. Mt. Gox is expected to repay its creditor 142,000 BTC and 143,000 in forked cryptocurrency Bitcoin Cash in addition to 69 billion Japanese yen by October 2024. Spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds have seen $76 million in net outflows on their 7th day of trading, according to new data from Bloomberg ETF analyst James Seyffert. In a Jan 23rd post on X, Seyffert wrote that it had been a bad day overall for Bitcoin ETFs in the Cointucky Derby, noting that Grayscale has the largest net outflows among the ETFs. Seyffert said that overall, the flows into the spot Bitcoin ETFs remained positive, with BlackRock enjoying its third largest days of positive flows so far, netting a total of $272 million in inflows on the day. On a net basis, we have seen over $1.1 billion flow into spot Bitcoin ETFs, even after accounting for the GBTC outflows, he said. While Seyffert admitted that the outflows from GBTC appeared to be unceasing at this time, he expects that GBTC-led dumping to cool off in the coming fortnight. The United States Securities and Exchange Commission has confirmed it fell victim to a SIM swap attack, leading to the false X post on January 9th stating that spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds had been approved. 2 days after the incident, in consultation with the SEC's telecom carrier, the SEC determined that the unauthorized party obtained control of the SEC's cell phone number associated with the account in an apparent SIM swap attack, an SEC spokesperson said on January 22nd. Once in control of the phone number, the unauthorized party reset the password for the @SEC.gov account, the SEC spokesperson added. The SEC said law enforcement is investigating how the unauthorized party got the carrier to change the SIM for the account and how the party knew which phone number was associated with the SEC's X account. The SEC also revealed that 6 months prior to the attack, a staff member removed multi-factor authentication as an additional layer of protection due to issues accessing the account. The security measure was not restored until after the Jan 9th attack. Now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update on the buzzing coins of the day.
First on the list, we have Celestia. Celestia has reached an all-time high in the blockchain industry, surpassing $20. This achievement follows the successful launch of Celestia's mainnet beta in October, which saw significant user engagement. The widespread distribution of TIA tokens through an airdrop to around 580,000 users has increased interest in Celestia's blockchain platform, making it an attractive investment opportunity. Bitget, the first cryptocurrency exchange to list TIA, played a crucial role in enhancing its accessibility and market penetration. Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency by exchange, added TIA to its listing in November, solidifying its market presence. TIA was trading at $15, down near 8% in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have Pith Network. The Pith Network has seen a significant increase in value, reaching $0.42 in the last 24 hours. Its decentralized oracle approach sources financial market data from over 90 publishers and distributes it across 40 plus blockchains. Originally designed for the Solana blockchain, Pith Network now operates its own chain, which is a PithNet. It ranks fourth largest oracle project with a total value secured of $2.046 billion, outpacing Switchboard and Binance Oracle. It also serves 144 networks. Pith was trading at $0.3, down near 8% in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have DAI. MakerDAO's decentralized stablecoin DAI has reached its lowest level since December 2023, attributed to the collateralized debt position model. This self-regulating market discourages new DAI creation. Despite a 40% decline from December's 2,800 active users, transaction fees recorded on MakerDAO have surpassed the total recorded in December, totaling $16.5 million in the past 20 days. The total supply of MakerDAO's DAI has risen to 2,000 active monthly users this year, despite a 40% decline from December's 2,800. DAI was trading at $1, up 0.10% in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have Avalanche. Avalanche's C-chain experienced a 30% drop in value in the last month due to increased user activity. This led to a 45% drop in daily count of active wallet addresses sending on-chain transactions. Transactions recorded on the C-chain also decreased, with only 266,000 completed, resulting in a 95% drop in daily transaction count. Transaction fees also decreased, with a total of $39,000 recorded as of January 19, 2024. AVAX was trading at $28, down 10% in the last 24 hours. Last on the list, we have ENS. ENS saw a 191% gain from January 1st to 14th, reaching $27.5, but now falling to $19.1. Fibonacci retracement levels indicated potential support, but the HTF resistance levels at $20.5 was not flipped. ENS governance token, a key component of the Ethereum project, experienced a 50% surge due to Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin's emphasis on its importance. He emphasized the need for all layer 2 blockchains to work on a CCIP resolvers, enabling ENS subdomains to be registrable, updatable, and readable directly on L2s. The January rally was analyzed by using Fibonacci retracement levels showing $18.48, $16.3, and $13.2 as important support levels. Increased selling pressure as token holders move to centralized exchanges suggests the rally may be drawing to an end. ENS was trading at $16, down 10% in the last 24 hours.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3watchtv.io or scan the QR code.